Hi friends, welcome back to BrushFalls Studio. Today we're painting again, and we're gonna have a whole lot of fun with this. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna create some craziness here, so let's go right down to the canvas and see what we got going on. Today we are working on a standard 18 by 24. You can see most of it here. I've got a lot of colors. We're just gonna play with this. What we've created here is a bit of a mess, but that's okay. Let's play some more. Okay, with that, I'm going to call it quits. This just goes to show you that if you're not happy with your results at first, you can just keep going and change it and make it better. And as always, if you're not having fun when you're doing this, you're doing it wrong. So, as always, if you like what we're doing here, like and subscribe. Appreciate you coming by. So long for now. Bye.